Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to compare Trojanbot with Sol Trading Bot. So if you are interested in trading on Solana, especially with advanced tools and strategies, this comparison will help you choose the best fit for your needs. But remember, crypto trading is risky and I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. Now, don't forget to check out the link in the description for more resources. I have created this table for you for better understanding of the key differences between these two. First, if we talk about the DEX integration, in Trojanbot, you will get limited DEX integration that is focused on specific Solana tokens. Integrates with Jupiter, Okra, Radium, offering broader DEX access. So, in this point, Sol Trading Bot is a clear winner. Next, in the Trojanbot, you will get basic real-time analytics that is suitable for quick trading insights, whereas in Sol Trading Bot, you will get advanced injured for in-depth market analysis, trends, and price movement insights. In Trojanbot, you will get the order types like DCA with the focus and automation, but in Sol Trading Bot, it includes the advanced options like WSOL Sniper, copy trading, and flexible limit and DCA orders. Trojanbot is ideal for the experienced traders who want fast automated Solana trading on Telegram, and Sol Trading Bot is perfect for both new and advanced traders that need the DEX variety of and customizable trading tools. So in a nutshell, I can say that both the bots offers valuable features, but they cater to different needs. So you can go with the Trojan bot because it is ideal if you prioritize speed and automation, especially for time sensitive trades. Sol Trading Bot excels if you need comprehensive DEX integration, advanced market analysis, and a range of order types. So you can choose Trojan Bot for simplicity and speed, and Sol Trading Bot for versatility and powerful trading tools. You can check the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto related content. Thank you so much for watching.